Well, Dad just picked up a new car today. It's a 2017 Dodge Journey. It's got 6,000 miles on it. It's got the 300 horsepower 3.6 liter. I think it's a 3.6 liter V6 in it. Thing goes like a scared cat. It's all-wheel drive. That's really nice. It's got 3 rows of seats or a large cargo area if you put the seats down. Needs to get those. You need to get those trays that you put in here. Those, what are those things called?
Yeah, I see them advertised all the time.
Like what you have in your
Especially
Cherokee.
Yeah, especially in the front. Because we have so much sand up there.
Yeah. Let's take a look under the hood too. Alright, here's the engine. You can see any of it. It's underneath all that. Big plastic doohickey. Oil filter is down in there. So you don't even need to get underneath it. Goes like, runs like a scared cat though, there's no doubt about that.
All these fancy wheels.
Yeah, I did show the wheels.
What are those fancy wheels? Holy moly.
And we even already programmed the garage door to it, so we gotta. Dad can go in and read all the directions on all the fancy controls in it. This is how you start this car. You put your foot on the brake pedal and you push the button and it's running. And of course it's got all the bells and whistles. It's got 6,428 miles. And the heat's coming on because it's darn cold out. You just push the button to stop it. Pretty slick.
Yeah.
And surprisingly, this thing has an amazing amount of room in the leg room in the back for this size vehicle, and seats in the very back. And all these seats, like I say, they do fold down to a big cargo area.
I think there's some trunk space behind the third row.
Yes, there is, yep. So if you enjoy the videos, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.